Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a numbered list in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Google Docs app. And here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just have to go into a document that we want to edit. It opens up like this. Then we have to tap on the pencil icon in the bottom right corner to edit it. And here we have to go into the top row and tap on the letter A. Then tap on paragraph. And here in the bottom left corner we have this list icon, which is the numbered list. And here we can select the format in which we want to use it. And yeah, let's select this one. And then if you write something here and start a new paragraph, it's going to appear like this. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.